name is Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. Alright, so we are going to do a how-to on how to save your extra smoothie. And we've got a little bit of extra in here from the smoothie bowl that I made. And I usually will get just an ice tray. I get them for cheap on Amazon or wherever. And you're going to pour the smoothie into each individual spot. And I love to have these in the freezer as backup when I just want a quick little protein shake and I don't want to have to throw in all of my ingredients to create a new smoothie recipe. So there we go. So all you have to do after you put it into the ice slots is put it in the freezer, and you'll have leftover smoothies for the week or whenever you need it.